Hello everyone, good morning. As we have discussed in previous video, what we have discussed? We have discussed the examples of logarithms, okay? And we have discussed the standard laws of logarithm also. I hope you can recall it. So students, open your book, page number, chapter 7, 5. Today we are going to discuss exercise 7b. Okay? So students, see question number 1. Number 1 is express each sum or difference as a single logarithm. So here sum and difference of logarithm is given. We have to express as a single logarithm. Okay? So in question number 1, it is given log 6 plus log 5. Okay? So 2 logarithm is given and that sum you have to find out and you have to convert as a single logarithm. Okay? So students, this is in the form of product law or quotient law or power law. These 3 law you have to remember as I said before. Okay? So which law is this one? Obviously you can see it is an addition, so that obviously this will be the product law of logarithm. So remember the product law. Log m plus log n equal to log mn, you can say, or log mn equal to log m plus log n. Okay? So according to that law, just multiply 6 and 5. Log of 6 into 5, that is log 30. Okay? The product law is what? Log mn equal to log m plus log n. Now this is in the form of this, you have to write in this form. Okay? That's what we have written here, and we have multiplied and we got 30. Okay? This is log 30. Now number 2, log 12 minus log 2. Here the difference is given. Remember the quotient law of logarithm. What is it? Log of m by n, I can see, log of m by n equal to log of m minus log of n. So this is in the form of this and we have to write as in this form. Okay? So that's what you have written here. Log 12 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 6 are 12. So we got log 6. Okay? This is the answer. Now next see number 4. Number 3 you have to do, all are in what? Addition. Same as before we have done the addition. You have to multiply log of 5 into 2 into 4 to the base 3. Okay? And you will get the answer. Number 4, log of 12 minus log of 2 plus log of 5 to the base 2. Okay? Here addition also given and subtraction also given. The addition and difference both are given. Okay? So students, as you know, in any simplification, first we are doing according to Bodmas rule. We are solving according to Bodmas rule. So students, here also we will follow that. Okay? These both are in addition. So I have written that to both. Then after I have written this subtraction. Okay? So this one first you have to solve, because these both are in addition, means the formula is log of m n, m into n. So 12 into 5 divided by y divided, because it minus is given, okay. So divided by 2, that is 12 5s are 60, 60 by 2, it is 30. Log of 30 to the base 2. The answer is log of 30 to the base 2. Now students, see question number 2. Simplify without using the tables. Students, tables are given. You know, log table also there, okay. But here I have not said about the log table, and I have not shown the log table to you, okay. So without using the tables, you have to solve question number 2, okay. Sometimes in board exam, maybe log table will provide to you, but at that time it is given simplify without using the tables, means without using, you don't have to use the table and you have to simplify. So how to simplify without using the table? Just see here. Already like this we have solved, I think, in the examples. See, question number 1. Log of 1000 to the base 40 by log of 100 to the base 40. Okay. So 1000, students, you can write it as 10 to the power 3 and here 10 to the power 2. Okay. Now students, which law you have to follow? Just tell me. You have to follow the power rule. Okay. Power law. So power law of logarithm, according to that, it will be 3 log 40 and it will be 2 log 40. So 2 log base 40 to the 10, okay, and here 3 log of 10 to the base 40, okay. So this 2 will cut, 3 by 2 will you get, okay. 3 by 2 is our answer. Now question number 2, log of 32 by log of 4. 32 means it is log of 32. 32 means you can write it 2 to the power 5 by log of 4 means 2 to the power 2. Okay. So that will be 5 log 2 by 2 log 2. Okay. So you will get what? 5 by 2. Okay. And question number 3, it is log of 8 to the base 2. Log of 8 to the base 2. Okay. So you can write it as log of 2q to the base 2. Okay. Now according to the power law, you can write it as 3 log 2 base 2. Okay. Now just see question number 3. Okay. So 3 log 2 to the base 2. This value is 1. 3 times 1 you will get 3. Okay. I have not written that one. Already I said. You can write it, I think. Now see question number 3. Simplify. You have to simplify the logarithms. Sum of numbers I have done and rest of the numbers you have to solve it yourself. Okay. 3 number 1 is given log of m square minus log m. Okay. So you have to follow the quotient law, log of m square by m. So here you can cut it, you will get log m. Okay. Then after number 2, log of y square divided log of y. Log y square by y. You will get what? 2 log y by log y. These 2 will cut, you will get 2. Okay. Similarly, log of 24, log 24 minus log 3. Okay, so you can write it as by the quotient law, log of 24 by 3. So you will get log of 24 by 3 means log of 8. Okay, that is equal to log of 2q. You can get 3 log 2. Okay, number 4, I have done it here. Log of 32 plus log of 4 minus log of 16. So as I said, you have to follow the BODMAS rule, then after the product law or the quotient law or the power law. Okay, so here I have followed the product law. Okay, then after just multiply and write. Then after here the quotient law you have to follow. You will get log of 8. Log of 8 you can write 2q. So the value will be 3 log 2. Okay, now number 5 you have to do it yourself. Number 6 I have done. Log of 256 divided with log of 1024. Okay, you can write it as like this. So this will be 2 to the power 8 and this will be 2 to the power 10. Okay, so you can write it as using the power law 8 log 2 and here 10 log 2. Okay, so log 2 and log 2 will be cancelled out. You will get 8 by 10. Then after 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. You will get 4 by 5 is the answer. Okay, then after students just see, prove that here LHS and RHS is given. Prove that log 7 plus log of 1 by 7 is equal to 0. Okay, then after sum of numbers I have done it here. Okay, rest of the numbers you have to try it yourself. Log of 72 equal to 3 log 2 plus 2 log 3. So first LHS I have taken here. You have to take the LHS. So you can write it 72 as, write the factors, multiples of 72. You will get 9 and 8. 9 and 8 are 72, and to the 9 we can write it 3 square, and to the 8 we can write it 2q. So log of 3 square plus log of 2q. This one is our product law. According to the product law you can write it separately, and now use the power law. Here this one is an index form. You can write the power law as 2 log 3 plus 3 log 2, and this is our answer. Okay, we have proved the RHS. This is our LHS we have taken, and the RHS we got. Okay, by taking the LHS, RHS we got. Okay, now number 4, log of 4 by 7 plus log of 33 by 18 minus log of 22 by 21. These two are in addition, so obviously you have to follow the product law. By using the product law I have multiplied these numbers. Okay, so we got 22 by 21, and here already 22 by 21 is there. So these two will cancel out. We will get 0. So according to the question we got LHS equal to RHS. Here the LHS and RHS we got 0. Okay, now just see number 5. Log of q root of 3 root of 6 whole 2 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 whole of log of 7 minus 2 log 3 plus log of 2. Okay, so students, you know how to convert the mixed fraction into fraction. Okay, so 6 9s are 54, 52 plus 2, 54 plus 2, it is 56, 56 by 9, and q root you can write it as 1 by 3. How? Root over means we can write to the power root over 4. You can write 4 to the power 1 by 2, and q root of 4 means you can write 4 whole 1 by 3. Same as like that we have written here. Okay, now you can use the power law. Using the power law we can write it 1 by 3 log 56 by 9, and 56 by 9 we can write like this: 8 7 are 56 and 3 and 3. Okay, 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 log 8 means 2q, we can write it 2q into 7, here 3 square. Okay, 2q into 7 and log 3 square. By using the power law, we can write it 3 log 2 into log plus log 7, here the product law, then 2 log 3. Okay, now just multiply 1 by 3 in each of the term. Okay, so this 3 and 3 will cancel out, so you will get log 2, and here 1 by 3 log 7, 1 by 3 2 log 3. Okay, so 1 by 3 log 1 by 3 you have to take common from these two terms. Out of these two terms you can take out 1 by 3 as in common. You will get log 7 minus 2 log 3. Okay, and log 2 is there, write it here. So students, now you can see LHS we have taken, but we got the RHS. This one we got it here. So LHS is equal to RHS proved. Okay, now students, question number 6, log of a whole square minus log of b whole square is equal to log of ab into log of a by b. Rest of the numbers, students, just do it yourself. In next class we will discuss question number 5 and question number 6. Okay, then after in next video some examples we will discuss and exercise 7C will start. Okay, that's all for today, students. Thank you.